Hi student, I hope all of you are doing fine in your home. Successfully we completed our second chapter, that is Go Green Types of Plant. So now it's time for recall it. How much we have learned from this chapter, we have to recall. Everyone ready? Very good, thank you. So we have discussed there are 5 types of plants in our around is there. Okay, there is urban behind the house, there one is a park or a garden is there. In this garden different types of plants are there. Here we can see, look at the picture, and I have told you also. So urbans and Arzu, they are discussing each other the types of plant. While discussing, they are find out the different types of the plants are there in our around, that means in a park also. So first one is, I told you the big and strong plants are called trees. There are 5 types of plant. First one is trees, second one is shrubs, third one is herbs, fourth one is climber, and fifth one is creeper. So what is tree? The big and strong plants are called trees. Okay, that see, these are called tree because these are big and strong plants, so this is called tree. And what is shrubs? Look at here also, trees are also different shape and sizes. They grow very tall, like this banyan tree, mango tree, pine tree, and coconut tree. So look at the picture very carefully. So these type of plants are, they will grow very tall. So these are called tree. They are comes under tree because they are very tall and big, thick stem also. These are called stems. So second one is shrubs. What is shrubs? Some plants are small but strong. Some plants are small but strong. Such plants are called shrubs. Okay. Some plants are small, very small compared to plant, but still they are strong, very strong. These are called shrubs, like this rose flower plants, champa, cotton, tomato plants. They are comes under shrubs because they are small, but they are strong. They will not fall down. So these type of plants are comes under shrubs. We can say shrubs plant. Okay. So next one who will say, very good, herbs. Okay, herbs. Some plants are small and weak, such plants are called herbs. Compared to shrubs, some plants are there, they are very small compared to shrubs. So these are very weak also, small and weak also. These plants are called herbs. Okay, like example mint, tulsi, coriander. So these type of plants are comes under herbs. Have you smelled mint, coriander, tulsi? Do they smell the same? No. You might have smelled this type of plants leaves. So there are different smell will come from different plants. Okay. For coriander different smell, tulsi different smell, mint different smell. Understood? So trees, shrubs, herbs. Last two remaining is climber and creeper. Okay. So some plants have weak stems, they cannot grow straight on their own. They need support walls, stick, and other plants to grow. Such plants are called climber. I have also discussed with you that some plants are there, they cannot grow itself. They need external support to grow because they are very too long and very weak also. So they need external support as a wall, stick, or other plants. See, it is sticks and it is also stick, and some of the house you might have seen, there some plants will grow on their house only because they need external support to grow. So these are the external support, and the plant are growing. These are plants are comes under climber plant because they will grow another with the help of another plant or wall. So next comes creeper plant. Some weak plants grow along the ground. Such plants are called creeper. This type of plants also very long thin stem, and they do not need any external support. They will grow along the ground only. They will grow along the ground itself. They will not depend upon the any external support. So this type of plants are comes under creeper plant we can say. So like this watermelon and pumpkins, so like this type of plant are comes under creeper plant. Now it's time for activity part. Okay, let's meet activity. You see, let's meet these plants from Arman's garden. Think this is the two plants are given. You might have seen. See carefully. One plant is sunflower. It is very small. It is very big, and it is a lemon plant. Lemon fruits are there. Here sunflower is there. Inside to middle, a dog is sitting. So these two plants they are growing in the Arman's garden, and we have to find out now what are the difference of between them and what are the similarity of them. Okay, let's meet these plants from Arman's garden and we have to discuss. Describe these plants. What are the difference between these two plants and how are they similar? Once again I repeat. Describe these plants. What are the differences between these two plants? How are they similar? Okay. What are the differences are there in between two plants and what are the similar are there in between two plants? Before going to discuss about two plants, we will discuss about our human beings. Let's think about you and your friend. Okay, student. Now you think if you are a boy or if you are a girl, or just compare with another your friend. Okay, if he is boy, if he is girl, it's okay. But we will compare ourselves before going to compare a plant, two plant. Everyone ready? Yes or no? Everyone ready? See, here we can say, see, here two children are there, or think about your two friends. What are the difference between you and your friends and what are the similar between you and your friends? Think and tell me. Very good. Difference, first of all, we can say if you are boys, your friend is a girl. If you have the long hair, a small hair, your friend have big hair. But both this is the different. Okay, you are wearing the dress, gents dress or boys dress. Your friend, girl's friend wearing the girl's dress. And what are the similarity? Very good. You need water, food to eat. You can walk also. You can speak also. You can talk also. You can cry also. So your friend can do same thing. He can or she can walk. She can talk. She can cry. She can run. She can jump. So these are the similarity. You have the different body parts. He or she has the different body parts. Understood? So like this two friend you see here also you can compare. Like this we will now compare the two plants. See, it is a plant, it is also plant, but it is a small, that is shrubs. Okay, sunflower is a shrubs, but it is a big plant, that is lemon plant. Just now I will say if it is sunflower, it is lemon. Understood? So it is a shrubs, it is a small, it is a big, it is a tree. Understood? So these are the difference. And he lives for small days. Sorry, he lives for few days. He will live for many years. Understood? Or many days. So what are the similar? We will check now. Look at carefully here, similar. They both need water, light and mineral to grow. They both need water, light and minerals to grow. They will absorb from the soil. Both this plant for this plant also. And they do not need any support to grow. See student, these plants they do not need any external support like wall, stick, like this. The external support they don't need to grow. They will grow their roots itself with their help of root itself. Okay, they don't need any external support. Understood, students? So these are the difference and similar. First of all, difference we can find out. It is a small, so it is a shrubs. It is a big, it is a tree. It is a shrubs, it is a shrub plant, it is a tree plant. It is a small. First of all, it is a small, it is a big. Second one, it is a small, so it is a shrub plant. It is a big, so it is a tree plant. These are the similar difference, and we can say they are. It lives for few days, it lives for many days, and similarly they both need water, light and mineral to grow. Okay, they will absorb from the soil both water, light, minerals from the soil, water and mineral from the soil to grow, and light from the environment, from sun. They do not need any external support. Okay, they do not need any external support to grow. So these are the similar and these are the difference. Understood? So now completed, and we have discussed our parts of the, how we have different parts of our body like hand, leg, head, nose, ear, eyes. Like this our plants have 4 parts of our part of our plant. That is, first one is rose. See, look at very rose stem or trunk and leaves and flower, root which giving support and absorb water minerals from the soil and gives to the plant, and stem is the hold the plant up. It takes food and water to the all parts of the plant. Some stems are weak, some are strong. We have discussed already previous class. Third one is leaves. Leaves make food for the plant. It's very important, because how your mother is making food for your family, like this plant leaves will make the food for the plant body. Okay, then we will come last one is flower. Flower make seeds or fruit, and this flower is the most beautiful part of the plant body. Okay, so there are 4 parts of the plant body. First one is the roots. Remember everybody, root. Second one the stem. Third one leaves. Fourth one flowers. See, root, stem, leaves and flower. For 1, 2, 3, 4. First one root, second one stem, third one leaves, fourth one flower. See, look at the picture carefully. Here marigold plant is there, here apple tree is there, and compare. Here root, here also root is there. Here trunk is there, here stem is there. Because why we are using stem here trunk? Because for a small plant we can say it is a stem. For a big plant we can say it is a trunk. And these are the small branches. Here leaves. Here also leaves are there. Here fruits are there. Here also leaves are there. Here fruits also there. Red. Here fruits is not there, only flower. Flower become a fruit. Okay. So these are the things, but we will use only that flower for our worship the God. Okay. So these are the difference, and we can we have discussed the parts of the plant. Understood? Now it's time for fill in the blanks. Trees will have big roots, and how will the dash roots? Who is the tree will have a big root? Okay. You see under the ground very big root. And herbs means very small plant will have the small roots. Understood? Now you see leaves, flowers and fruits grow on the stem. Okay, so these all leaves and flowers and fruits will grow on the stem only. This is stem, which can say branch, or for big plant we can say branch, or for small plant we can say stem. So these on the stem, all leaves, flower and fruits they will grow. Understood? So what we have discussed lastly, once again we will read. Plants are different shape and sizes. The big and strong plants are called trees. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Small and weak plants are called herbs. Plants that need support of stick, wall and other plants are called climber. Plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. Like us, plants too have different parts. They have roots, stem, leaf and flowers and fruits. It's very important. Okay, you have to practice it, and each part of the plant has its own function. Okay, how we have different parts of our body means hand, leg, nose, ear, head. For there and there have own functions. From by the help of hand we can write, we can eat. By the help of leg we can walk. Like this, different parts of the plant have their own functions. Okay, how root they will absorb water and minerals from the soil, and flower will give the fruits, and leaf will make the food, and stem gives the carry the water and minerals to all parts of the plant body. Understood, student? So completed our second chapter, that is types of plant. Next we will go for workbook, that is our exercise part, for another video. I hope everybody understood properly. Is it clear to everybody? Yes, very good. So once again watch this video and we will go for our next video, that is our exercise part or class workbook part. Understood, student? Watch the video 2-3 times and write down on your classwork. Thank you, student. Take care.